Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. And today I'm going to tell you sequencing with Scratch in studio.co.org. Basically, while we creating apps, but I'm first teaching you the basics of this first. So here it's first. This is sequencing with Scratch. You remember, like, you open pre-reader Express 2020 programming with Scratch. Click on number 1. Mm, no, on number 1 is just the video. Click here. And here it shows, just click OK, you don't need anything. And here there are two separate blocks. So this is how I'm dragging and dropping. So see, I am mouse hovering this block right now, and now I'm clicking, and when run, I'm just releasing it, and then it releases the block like this. And now Scrat will run east because he can't run anywhere else because the ice is broken everywhere else. So now you're learning sequencing. Okay, so you continue. Now the acorn is 2 blocks away, so you add 2 of these. Then click the run button. It plays like a funny sound like whoo once Scrat gets the acorn, so it's funny. So now he needs to move 2 times east and 1 time north, which is up. East is this way, with the way which the arrow is pointing at, and north is up. Oh, and if you're wondering what the step button is for, it will make Scrat go one by one. But it takes some time. See, he goes one by one. But if you click run, he does the code in just one go. Just like this. Okay? This is a smaller puzzle than the last puzzle. The last puzzle was in 12 puzzles. Now it is just like 7 puzzles. Oh, what happened here? Number 5. We didn't actually quite complete it. See, in the workspace, this is the workspace area which we just drag and drop the blocks. It's showing 5 out of 4 floor out of 4. We needed to drag only 4 blocks. So let's see if we can short this block. Maybe we don't need the south block. And you can do it in 2 ways. You can delete the block in 2 ways by just clicking on it and hitting the backspace key, or just dragging it back like this. Now see if it worked. It worked. We need 4 out of 4 blocks. And you're learning how to do how to like shorten the numbers on the workspace over here. So now a new block came, the west block. So it makes Scrat go this way. So when run, you need to go to east and south. We didn't actually need the west block here anyways. Now needs to move to east. And the wind run also counts as a block. And when you detach any block, it does not count as a numbered block in the workspace area. Oh, oh no. Oh, I was supposed to use two east blocks, the two west blocks. East actually makes you go here. Scrat was like, oh, and fell into the water. That's funny. Now Scrat got the acorn. Okay, so that's it